Reindeer are fascinating creatures that embody the spirit of the frozen north. These incredible animals, also known as caribou in North America, belong to the deer family and are uniquely adapted to thrive in some of the harshest climates on Earth. But what sets reindeer apart from their deer relatives, and why are they so special? Today, we're snuggling into the world of reindeer to uncover their biology, behavior, and importance in ecosystems and human culture. What are reindeer? Reindeer are medium-sized mammals in the same family as deer, elk, and moose. Unlike many deer species, both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them the only species in the deer family where this occurs. Their antlers are magnificent, branched, and often velvet-covered during growth, and are shed and regrown every year. Reindeers have stocky builds, thick fur, and large specialized hooves that allow them to walk across snow and ice without sinking. These adaptations make them perfectly suited for life in the Arctic tundra and boreal forests. What are antlers made of? Many people have seen photos of people decorating their homes with antler material. Don't worry, deer or reindeer do not have to die to gather these antlers. Reindeer antlers are made of bone and are among the fastest growing tissues in the animal kingdom. Unlike horns, which are permanent structures made of keratin and bone, antlers are completely bony and are shed and regrown annually. During the growth phase, the antlers are covered in a soft, velvety skin that is rich in blood vessels and nerves, supplying the nutrients needed for their rapid development. This velvet is eventually shed as the antlers harden and become fully calcified. Once mature, the antlers are composed entirely of solid bone. Males typically shed their antlers after mating season, while females keep theirs through winter, helping them access food under the snow. What are the parts of a reindeer? Let's start at the top. Both male and female reindeer have antlers. They use them differently though, with females primarily using them to help clear away snow and get food, and males using them mostly to fight other males during mating season. They can also help reindeer defend against predators that might try to attack them. Reindeer have unique eyes that change color and excellent vision. They have hairy noses and thick fur. Their hooves are also unique and change throughout the seasons. Reindeer also have tails which they use to signal when they feel threatened as a visual sign to the rest of the herd. How are reindeer different from deer? While reindeer are part of the deer family, they differ in several key ways. Their thick, double-layered coat keeps them insulated against extreme cold, a feature most deer lack. Reindeer have larger nasal passages that warm incoming air, a vital adaptation for Arctic conditions. Their hooves are also uniquely adapted. In summer, the pads are soft and provide grip on wet terrain, while in winter they harden to help them cut through the ice. Additionally, reindeer are more social than many other deer species, traveling in large herds that can number in the thousands, especially during migration. Their herding behavior is quite different from the more solitary habits of many deer species. While male deer are famously called buck and female deer are called does, this is not the case with reindeer. Female reindeer are called cows and males are called bulls. That means that babies are called calves instead of fawns like with regular deer. As I've already mentioned, both males and females grow antlers, which they lose and grow back annually. The males lose them after rutting season, often in November. That means Santa's sleigh should be drawn with antlerless reindeer. The females keep their antlers in winter and lose them when the calves are born in spring. Reindeer are found in the northern regions of Europe, Asia, and North America, thriving in tundra and boreal forest ecosystems. In Europe and Asia, they are common in countries like Norway, Finland, and Russia, where domesticated reindeer are integral to indigenous cultures such as the Sami people. In North America, caribou roam the Arctic and subarctic regions of Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Reindeer are highly migratory animals covering vast distances of up to 3,000 miles annually in search of food and suitable habitats. Reindeers are herbivores with a diet that varies based on the season. In the summer, they graze on grasses, herbs, and shrubs, while in the winter they rely on lichen, moss, and even small twigs. A type type of lichen known as reindeer moss is particularly important as it provides a crucial source of carbohydrates. Their ability to digest lichen, which is tough and nutrient-poor, is thanks to specialized bacteria in their stomach that breaks down the cellulose. Reindeer cratering is a fascinating behavior that helps these animals survive in their often harsh environments. It refers to the way that reindeer dig through deep snow with their hooves to reach the vegetation beneath, such as lichen, moss, and grasses. This foraging technique is essential during the winter months when food sources are buried under layers of snow. Reindeer use their strong front hooves, which are specially adapted with sharp edges, to break through the frozen surface and create craters in the snow. This behavior not only provides access to food for the digging reindeer, but also benefits the herd as other reindeer can feed from the same craters. Cratering showcases the species' remarkable ability to adapt to their environment and highlights their role in Arctic ecosystems. Reindeer are mammals, which means they give birth to live young. These young drink milk. Mammals also have hair or fur, and reindeer certainly fit this bill. They are covered in fur from their nose all the way down to their furry toes, or hooves. What about baby reindeer? Let's learn about the reindeer life cycle. Calves are usually born in late spring or early summer after the gestation period of about 230 days. A single calf is most common, though twins can occur. Reindeer calves are pre-cochial, meaning they can stand and walk shortly after birth, a vital trait for survival in predatory-rich environments. By 6 months, calves are weaned and start eating solid foods. Reindeer reach maturity by 2 to 3 years and can live up to 15 years in the wild. Reindeer are among the most impressive migratory animals on Earth, traveling vast distances in search of food and favorable conditions. Some populations migrate more than 3,000 miles annually, making theirs one of the longest terrestrial migrations of any animal. These seasonal journeys often follow ancient routes, guided by instinct and the availability of resources. During the summer, reindeer migrate to cooler northern regions or higher elevations where food is abundant and biting insects are less prevalent. In the winter, they move to lower altitudes or southern areas to avoid harsh weather and find vegetation beneath the snow. During migration, herds can become massive, forming what is known as a super herd. Reindeer migrations are remarkable feats of endurance, with herds numbering in the tens of thousands moving together across tundra, forests, and rivers. Their synchronized movements not only ensure the survival of the herd, but also play a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem they traverse by spreading seeds, cycling nutrients, and influencing vegetation growth. Reindeer are highly social and exhibit fascinating group dynamics. Reindeer communicate using vocalization, body language, and even their unique hooves, which make clicking sounds as tendons snap over bones, a behavior thought to help herds stay together in low visibility conditions like blizzards. They are also surprisingly good swimmers, crossing rivers and icy waters during migration. Reindeer have a deep connection with human culture, especially in Arctic and subarctic regions. Indigenous peoples like the Sami of Scandinavia and the Nenets in Russia have herded and domesticated reindeer for thousands of years. They rely on these animals for meat, milk, fur, and transportation. In popular culture, reindeer are best known for their association with Christmas. Stories of Santa Claus and his flying reindeer have made them a global symbol of the holiday season. Did you know that the names of Santa's reindeer were popularized in the 1823 poem A Visit from St. Nicholas, and further added to in the song Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Reindeer have developed an almost mythical status that has enhanced their iconic image worldwide. Can reindeer fly? While Santa's reindeer are famous for being able to fly him around the world in a single night, most reindeer can't fly. However, they can run very fast. Reindeer can run up to 48 miles or 77 kilometers per hour. To put that into perspective, the fastest human on Earth can only run 27 miles or 44 kilometers per hour. Wow, if reindeer can run that fast, I wonder how fast they can fly. And now it's time for some fun facts. But before we do, viewer with your mind so bright, won't you light up the like button tonight? Taking a few moments to like, comment, and subscribe really helps me to continue making videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. And now to the fun facts. Reindeer eyes change color with the seasons. They are gold in the summer and blue in the winter to adapt to varying light conditions. Reindeer can see ultraviolet light, which helps them spot predators and food in snowy environments. Reindeers can run shortly after birth, reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Just like Santa, domesticated reindeer really are used to pull sleds and have been essential for transportation in Arctic communities. Reindeer have a special tendon that allows them to lock their legs and sleep while standing. Their fur is hollow, providing excellent insulation and buoyancy in water. Reindeer can survive temperatures as low as negative 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Herds are led by females in the winter as they retain their antlers longer than males. Reindeer are truly remarkable creatures. They're not just survivors of the Arctic. They're symbols of adaptability, endurance, and cultural significance. Whether in the wild or woven into human traditions, reindeer continue to inspire awe and curiosity. Thanks for joining me while learning about these incredible animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite reindeer fact in the comments below. Parents and teachers, if you're teaching your students about reindeer, check out the link in the description for educational resources that you may find helpful. Thank you, and don't forget to get messy and make lots of mistakes today. Bye!